grooming process. Put them in these cones. Dad kills them. You take them over here. Scald them. Try to keep this about 150. Get a nice good scald on them. Just keep them dipped under and get the legs as much as you can, and then just pull them up. Check. Once the feathers are loosely attached and you can easily pull them off, that means you can ready to cool them off and pluck them. This guy shouldn't be too long.
So what are you doing right there? You're testing?
Yeah, I'm testing. I'm just pulling on these wing feathers.
Okay.
See, it's not coming out.
Okay, so
you just dip it back in. It doesn't take too long normally, if you have it about 150, it won't take too long. And there should be about done. You don't want to over scald them though. See, that loosely came out, so that's ready.
right.
So just be dumped in here, get them a little cooled off. Now it's cooled off. Put them into the plucker. Hose is just to spray down the sides from all the feathers so they don't pile up.